To buy a house in 2020 coming up right after this.
Your trusted real estate source, one video at a time.
What's going on, guys? Alex back here for another video. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, welcome. I post videos 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and this whole YouTube channel is designed around real estate. So if you're interested in learning more about real estate, how to invest in real estate, and ultimately make more money through real estate, well then this is the channel for you. Think about hitting that subscribe button down there. Now on to the video you're waiting for. As watching this video, you have some money saved up and you're curious how you can start the home buying process. Well, the first step to that is you need to speak with a mortgage lender. You can go down to any of your local banks to do this and talk with any mortgage lender, and all they're gonna do is pull some financial information, maybe pull your credit score so that you can get a rough understanding of the amount of house that you can afford. Now, even if you're not quite ready after this process is done, you're gonna get a good understanding of what you need to do with your finances. Maybe you need to improve your credit score, so you'll get some good information out of this talk with a mortgage lender, even if you're ready to buy a house, or maybe you have a game plan set forward to maybe buy a house in 6 months or a year. The second part of this, and I see it all the time, is you need to be realistic with how much you ideally want to spend a month on your mortgage. Once you're done talking with a mortgage lender, they're going to give you a pre-qualification or go further in depth with your finances and give you a pre-approval letter. This is simply going to state the amount of house that you can afford. So say it says $500,000. This does not mean you have to spend $500,000. What I want you to do out there is see what you want your monthly payment to be so you can manage your expenses, because the last thing you want to do is buy a house and now you're all stressed out because a majority of your monthly income is going towards your mortgage payment. What I recommend for you guys out there, because I've seen it multiple times, maybe go look at houses that are $350,000 or $400,000 and maybe put a little bit money into it, fix it up, and now you have a very, very simple mortgage payment, and now you can still live your life how you want to. You're not pouring all this money into this mortgage payment every month, and you can still go out and enjoy your life. Brings me to my next step, number 3. You need to identify where you want to live. Now, you have to realize when you move houses or you change locations, your whole life is gonna change, right? You're gonna go to a different grocery store, you're gonna go to a different shopping mall. So you need to determine where you wanna live, what's gonna be around you, and also, ultimately, can you afford to live in that area? By doing this, you're gonna be realistic with yourself from the very beginning, so you don't waste anybody's time, and ultimately you don't go look at houses that you really, really wanna buy, but it's way out of your budget. So I recommend looking where you wanna live, going down to that area, seeing what the average home price is selling for, and see if it's reasonable for your personal situation. Number 4, so once you do 1 through 3, now you're ready to go out and look for houses to buy. Now, before you do this, you need to find a well-recommended real estate agent in your area to help you with this whole process. By finding a highly recommended hyper-local real estate agent in that area that's sold multiple properties, maybe even in the neighborhood that you want to buy a house, he's gonna know the home prices in that house. He's gonna know maybe even the homeowners by name. He's gonna know what each house should sell for. So when a property does come on the market, he can tell you right away if it's overpriced, if it's underpriced, what you need to submit an offer for, and this could ultimately save you thousands and thousands of dollars down the road. On top of this, what home buyer wants to do all the paperwork and all the boring stuff? This is why a real estate agent comes in handy, because we deal with all the paperwork. We've done it a million times, and we're not gonna let you get tricked when a seller puts a certain check mark on a purchase and sale, because we can inform you our professional opinion of how you should proceed with the transaction. And the last reason why you should seek out a real estate professional to be on your side, well, they're looking after your best interest. Now, a listing agent is looking after the best interest of a seller, but when you're buying a house and you go out and pick a real estate agent, he is trying to get you the best possible deal on that home purchase. And the last one is simply when you go out and find the house that you want to buy, you're going to have a real estate agent write up a purchase and sale agreement, and keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully it gets accepted From that point, it's around average 30 days before you close on the house, and then now you're a home owner. So there you guys have it. Hopefully you got some type of value out of this video and it cleared up some confusion on your end how you can buy a house in 2020. If you're still confused, go check out in the description. I'm gonna put a link to the full real estate transaction from start to finish so you can see the full cycle, so it might clear up more confusion you might have. On top of that, I'm gonna link all the different types of mortgages you can get in the description as well, so you can see different mortgages you can take out and see which one might fit your personal situation the best. All right, guys, we'll see you for the 2 videos coming later this week, and we'll see you guys then. Peace.